Welcome back to Automobiles. Today we're diving into the 2025 Volkswagen Baja Bug Beetle, a modern twist on a legendary off-road icon. This is not your average Beetle. The 2025 Baja Bug is bold, rugged, and ready to conquer more than just city streets. Starting with the exterior, Volkswagen has truly gone all out. The Baja Bug retains that classic Beetle silhouette, but it's been lifted significantly, giving it a commanding off-road stance. The fenders are wide and aggressive, with exposed bolts that add a raw, mechanical feel. Large all-terrain tires wrapped around blacked-out alloy wheels provide the grip and toughness needed for rugged terrains. Up front, the LED headlights are sleek and modern, sitting above a custom-style steel bumper with integrated tow hooks and a skid plate. The hood has been slightly reshaped for a more muscular look, and on the roof, there's a robust roof rack with spotlights, functional and stylish. Around the back, the rear bumper is raised and dual exhaust pipes have been integrated higher into the body for added clearance. Volkswagen even offers a desert camo paint option, which makes the Baja Bug look ready for a Mad Max adventure. Inside, the interior keeps things practical but purposeful. While it's not ultra-luxurious, it's well-built and tough. You'll find rubberized flooring, washable materials, and bolstered sports seats with stitched Baja Bug logos. The dashboard features a clean layout with a digital display cluster and an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, of course. There are also physical switches for essential off-road functions like hill descent control, locking differential, and traction modes. Rear seats are tight, as expected in a Beetle, but still manageable for short trips. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 Volkswagen Baja Bug starts at around $33,000 for the base trim and can go up to $38,000 with premium options and off-road packages. For what it offers, unique style, off-road capability, and modern tech, it's a fair price point in today's market. Under the hood, it's powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, delivering 235 horsepower and 270 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 7-speed DSG transmission and standard all-wheel drive, the Baja Bug handles surprisingly well on both pavement and dirt. It's not a sports car, but the suspension is tuned for high clearance and off-road articulation. 0 to 60 takes about 6.7 seconds. Respectable for this segment. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Volkswagen Baja Bug Beetle. For more honest car insights, subscribe to Automobiles, and don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle GSR, a modern twist on an iconic classic that has returned with bold styling, upgraded features, and performance to match its sporty looks. The 2025 Beetle GSR immediately stands out, with its aggressive yet stylish exterior design. Volkswagen has preserved the signature rounded shape of the Beetle while giving it a muscular edge. The GSR variant comes with a black and yellow two-tone paint scheme, reminiscent of the original 1970s GSR model. You'll notice sharp LED headlights, blacked-out 19-inch alloy wheels, a front splitter, and a rear spoiler, all of which give the car a sporty, almost rally-inspired appearance. The honeycomb grille and GSR badging are subtle reminders that this isn't just any Beetle, it's one built with performance in mind. Stepping inside, the interior stays relatively compact but stylish. The cabin features sport seats with yellow stitching and GSR branding. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused, with a digital cockpit and a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Soft touch materials and a premium finish make the space feel more upscale than you might expect from a Beetle. Rear seat space is tight as expected, but the cargo area is practical enough for daily use. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle GSR starts at around $34,000, placing it in the premium compact segment. For that price, you get unique styling, solid performance, and a piece of Volkswagen history with a modern twist. It may be a bit pricier than the average compact hatch, but its limited edition status and design flair make it a compelling option for enthusiasts. Under the hood, the Beetle GSR is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces 241 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission, it offers quick acceleration and smooth shifts. It goes from 0 to 60 in just under 6.5 seconds, making it one of the quicker Beetles ever made. The suspension has been tuned for sporty handling, and while it's front-wheel drive, the grip and control are impressive. It's not a track car, but it delivers a fun and engaging driving experience, especially for city and weekend cruising. That's all for today's review on the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle GSR. This is Automobiles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with the bell on for more exciting car content. Today, we're diving into a fascinating blend of retro charm and modern refinement, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia S-Type. This coupe carries forward the iconic legacy of the classic Karmann Ghia, but with a complete futuristic transformation that still respects its roots. From the outside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia S-Type is a visual masterpiece. Volkswagen has retained the signature curvy silhouette that made the original Ghia a legend, but they've sharpened it with bold lines and aerodynamic elements. The front fascia is sleek and aggressive, with slim matrix LED headlights that wrap seamlessly into the sculpted fenders. The large front grille isn't just for looks. It houses adaptive airflow tech that optimizes cooling and efficiency based on driving conditions. Along the sides, flush door handles and 20-inch alloy wheels give it a clean, sporty stance, while the rear features a continuous LED light bar and a subtle integrated spoiler that completes the modern retro appeal. Inside, the Karmann Ghia S-Type leans more toward minimalism but doesn't compromise on quality. The cabin is wrapped in vegan leather and recycled aluminum trim, giving it a premium yet sustainable feel. The digital cockpit consists of a 12.9-inch touchscreen, seamlessly connected to a fully customizable driver display. Even though it's a coupe, Volkswagen has managed to offer decent rear legroom for short trips, and the front seats are both heated and ventilated. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, ambient lighting, and a high-end Harman Kardon sound system round out the interior experience. As for performance, the S-Type doesn't just look sporty, it drives like it too. Under the hood, it features a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup producing 370 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. That means 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.5 seconds. The electric platform offers a balanced, smooth ride with adaptive suspension that adjusts to your driving style. Range-wise, you get around 520 kilometers on a full charge, thanks to its 86 kWh battery pack. It supports fast charging up to 180 kWh, so a 10 to 80% charge takes just about 25 minutes. Now coming to the price, the 2025 Karmann Ghia S-Type starts at around $56,000, depending on the trim and optional packages. Considering the blend of classic aesthetics, modern tech, and high-end EV performance, it's a strong competitor in the luxury electric coupe segment. Thanks for watching Automobiles. This was your in-depth look at the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia S-Type. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with the bell icon turned on. And remember, keep driving forward. Today, we're reviewing the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a modern electric reinterpretation of a timeless classic. This new version brings the charm of the original coupe into the future, blending retro aesthetics with updated technology and performance. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a true head-turner. Volkswagen has preserved the iconic low-slung silhouette and graceful curves while adding a sleek, futuristic edge. The front features sharp LED matrix headlights integrated into the fenders, a smooth bumper with minimal openings, and a redesigned logo that lights up when the car is in motion. The lines flow cleanly across the body, giving it a sculpted, aerodynamic look that's both elegant and sporty. From the side, you'll notice the flush door handles and aerodynamic side mirrors, which reduce drag and enhance the car's smooth profile. The Ghia rides on 20-inch alloy wheels with a retro-inspired design that gives a nod to the past, while embracing a bold new look. Around the rear, there's a light bar that runs across the trunk, full LED taillights, and subtle chrome badging. The attention to detail is impressive, with every element designed to reflect both heritage and innovation. Inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia offers a clean and modern cabin layout. It features a digital instrument cluster, a large center touchscreen, with Volkswagen's latest infotainment system, and minimalist controls. Premium materials, including vegan leather and polished aluminum trims, add a refined touch. The front seats are sporty and comfortable, though rear seating is more suitable for short trips or smaller passengers. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, the Ghia is powered by an all-electric motor producing approximately 320 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in under 5 seconds and offers a driving range of up to 480 kilometers. Handling is tight and responsive, making it a joy to drive in both city and highway conditions. As for pricing, the 2025 Karmann Ghia starts at around $48,000, positioning it as a stylish and performance-oriented EV coupe. Thanks for watching Automobiles. Like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates on the latest models. (2025) Volkswagen Super Beetle, a bold revival of an iconic classic. This model brings the beloved Beetle into the future, with sleek new lines, a wider stance, and a more aggressive yet stylish exterior design that catches your eye instantly. From the front, the redesigned LED headlights now flow seamlessly into the slightly arched hood, giving it a more modern and sporty look. The grille is minimalist, yet with a touch of chrome that reminds us of the Beetle's heritage. Along the sides, Volkswagen has sculpted sharper body lines that enhance aerodynamics, while giving the Super Beetle a more premium presence on the road. The alloy wheels, available up to 19 inches, add to the car's assertive attitude, and the rear design is equally striking. The LED taillights are thinner, and the slight ducktail spoiler on some trims gives it a performance vibe that enthusiasts will appreciate. Moving inside, the 2025 Super Beetle blends retro charm with high-tech features. The dashboard keeps the rounded elements from previous generations, but now features a fully digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials are soft touch in the higher trims, and the seating is surprisingly spacious for a compact car, especially in the front row. Rear space is tighter, but acceptable for short trips. The ambient lighting and optional panoramic roof elevate the cabin experience, making it feel more modern and comfortable. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Super Beetle does not disappoint. Under the hood, it offers a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing around 210 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. The acceleration is peppy, especially in sport mode, and the steering feels sharp and responsive, making city driving and tight corners enjoyable. For daily commuting, it remains fuel efficient, with an estimated average of 32 miles per gallon, and the suspension absorbs bumps well, providing a balanced ride. As for the price, Volkswagen has kept it competitive. The base model starts around $25,000, while higher trims with premium features can go up to $32,000. Considering its design, tech, and performance upgrades, the 2025 Super Beetle offers solid value in the compact car segment. That's all for today's review from Automobiles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with the bell on for more car reviews.